Right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, in last class we are trying to understand string buffer, right? Now tell me, I want to store immutable sequence of characters. I should use string class object. I want to store immutable sequence of characters. I must use string buffer or string builder. String buffer is available from Java 1.0. Because of its synchronization, it become what? Slow in execution. As a solution, people has given string builder. String builder is mutable thread safe or non-thread safe sequence of characters. Now what are the methods available in string builder class or string buffer class? First method is what? Append. Append is used for adding the characters at the end of the existing characters. Now there is another method called sb dot method name is insert. What is the purpose of insert? Insert means store either one character or multiple characters, sequence of characters, or any append method, insert method, or overloaded method. You can add characters or any of the primitive value or even object also. Look at this. Object, obj, parameter, observe, string, insert method. Look at that. We have how many overloaded methods? Boolean parameter, char array, char sequence, double, float, int, long, object, and string. Any of the available values we can insert in the string buffer. Sir, if I insert object, for example, student object, I want to insert. Then how student object can be stored in string buffer? String buffer can store only what data? String data. Then this object is converted into string by calling internally obj.toString. ToString method return value is stored inside the given index in the string buffer. If you return data of the object, data will be stored. If you return class name at the rate hash code, class name at the rate hash code will be stored. So insert method is a overloaded method. Similarly, append method is also a overloaded method. Now insert, where you want to insert? Index number. Int offset is index number. Index number I am giving 0 and here I am giving double quotes Java. Okay, then I am printing system.out.println ESB. Tell me, the characters JAVA will go and store at what location? 0 location. In 0 location, what is stored? Java, Hari Krishna. Look at there. After Java and Hari, between you have space or no space? No space. Whatever the data you give, that it will store. If you want space, you must give after Java one space. So the Java, Hari Krishna coming space. No, sir, I don't want 0 location. I want to store in the middle. Is it possible? Yes, possible. Okay, you can store anywhere. Now, for example, I'm writing Java place. Okay, I'm writing something called 1. I'm okay. Any number you can give. Okay, something called no. Say 7. I'm giving. In 7th location, I'm writing Java. Then in 7th location, now JAVA, okay, Java space 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th location, what is stored? Java stored. So you can insert the given characters anywhere. If I give here 10, location 10 I am giving, that is storing between Hari and Krishna. So insert method is used for inserting any data. Now Now, is it only characters are we allowed to insert? Not required. You can insert numbers also. In place of Java, I am writing, let's say this is a 15 I am giving, and here I am giving what? Some 1 I am giving. Okay. Then tell me this 1 will go and store. Look at the Java 1 Krishna. Now, let me write here 14. 14 if I give, what happened? Let's see now. Java 1. Okay. Now, finally, what is the important point? Using insert method, I no need to insert only characters, also can insert what? Normal data also. So what the use of in append method? Append method is used for appending the given characters at end of the string buffer object, whereas insert method is used for inserting. Then can I use insert method as append method? Yes. What is the meaning of append? Store end of the at end of the characters. Now here I am writing sb.length. In string buffer class also we have method called what? Length. sb.length comma. Here I am giving let's say again I am giving some data Hyderabad. Look at that. Hyderabad is storing at what? At end. So you can use append method or you can use insert method, your wish. So by using insert method, I can store data at the beginning or in the middle or at the end of the string buffer. So first method is what? Append. Second method is insert. Both append method and insert method are overloaded methods. They will take either string or character or boolean, int, float, double, array object, char array object, and also object also it can take. Okay, for example, I am creating a class called A. This class is what? Empty class. Now I am creating, okay, I am calling insert method sb dot, let me write here some number I am writing, say 5. Now here I am taking new A class object I am inserting. Is it allowed? Yes. Then what is stored? Class name at the rate hash code. That means here directly new A stored, its internal toString method call and stored. ToString method is called. So this statement is equal to sb dot insert of 5 comma new A dot toString. ToString method return value will be stored in the string buffer. Now I am taking another class I am trying to store called what? B. Inside B, now I am creating class B. Inside class B, I am overriding ToString method. Is it allowed? Yes, allowed. ToString method I am overriding. From here I am returning something like this, double quotes, B object data. Okay, B object data I am returning. Then what is stored? B object data is stored. B object data only stored. So whatever written from ToString method, that will be stored. For example, I am giving here space. Look at the space will be coming here now, right? If I remove here, let's say if I write here hi B object data, then what is stored? Hi B object data is stored. So I can pass any type of object to the insert method. Its respect to background ToString method is called and value will be returned. So this is the first story is what? Append method. Second method is what? Insert method. Then next one, sb dot, there is a method called replace operation method, set caret. I want to replace one character with one data. Okay, set caret of, let's say 1. What is the second parameter? Character. One location, character is changed to single quote capital A, and then system.out.println SB I am printing. Look at the small a replaced with what? Capital A. No, sir, I want to replace all characters. Then let's see, is there any method called replace? Is there any method called replace? Replace, what is there? Int start comma int end. Start I am giving here, let's say 5, and then end I am giving here, say 3, and here I am giving double quotes hello. Then tell me what happen if I write a replace method? Replace method replace the characters available between 5th index to 5th index to 8th index, 5th index to 8th index with what? Hello. Tell me 5th index to 8th index, how many characters available? 3 na 2 na? 3 na 2 na? Everyone. 2. End index is exclusive, na? Start is what? Inclusive. Ended is what? Exclusive. 8th index character will not be considered. How many characters available? 2 characters. The 2 characters are replaced with a hello. 4, 5 characters will be there. What the 2 characters? Sorry, I have to print SB. The 2 characters are what? Hi. I look at that. Hi available 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is what? Hi. 5, 6. And 7 is what? Space. Okay, let me take here 7 only. Okay. And then observe now. Hi replaced with what? Hello. Now here one point you have to remember. When I call replace method, the number of characters we mention here in the index and number of characters we are passing here should be same or not required? Not required. Can be less than number of characters or maybe greater or maybe equal. Any of the 3 possible. Then accordingly the characters will be adjusted. Okay, right. Then now how can we replace the value in the string object? In 2 ways. Number 1, by using set caret. Number 2, by using replace. Remember, replace method in string class is a what do you call 4 overloaded methods available. Replace char, replace string, replace all regular expression, replace first of regular expression. Right? Remember, but in string buffer we have only one replace method that is taking what? Range. It is not. It is not searching for the character. It is just taking the range. That range data is replacing with this. So if you want to replace, search and replace, use the string class replace method. If you want range data to replace, use the string buffer replace method. Then next very important, SB dot, the next method is what? Delete. Insert, update. Okay, retrieve already know character. Retrieve method is what? Caret method. Retrieve. For retrieving purpose method is what? Caret. System dot out dot println. SB dot. In a string class we have caret method. In string buffer class also we have caret method. Caret of 0. What will you get? Where is there? Right? SB dot caret. What the character coming? 0 character is J. Now if I give here 5, what the 5th character? H. Okay. If I give here some 10, 10th character is what? O. Okay. If I give something called 15, 15th character is what? Okay, T. If I give here some 20, 20th character is what? A. If I give some 50, 50th character not available, get string index of 50th character also available, space. Okay. If I give here 60, 60th character, 5. And now if I give 100th character, what is the 100th character? Not available. Now you got what? Exception. String index out of bounds, exception. If I give -5, if I give -5, -5 character available, not available. We'll get string index out of bounds, exception. Index always you have to remember. First one is what? Append, store at end. Second one is what? Insert, store in the middle of the string. Then next, retrieve the characters available in the string. Next, replace, insert, select, update, and then delete. I want to delete, crude operation. SB dot delete. Now there are 2 delete methods available. I want delete one character. Delete caret, give the index number something called say 7. Okay. If I give 7, 7th index character is removed. SB, control F11. What is the 7th index character? L. Okay, na? 5, 6, 7. L is removed. Okay, look at the, this LO is coming here. Okay. Next, now I don't want to remove one character. I want to remove range of the characters. Then SB dot delete of, there is a method called range. So you give start comma end. For example, I'm giving 7 comma, okay, let me take here 8 comma, some 10. 10th index character removed or not removed? Not removed. Control F11, again error coming, semicolon. End index is Exclusive or inclusive? Exclusive. SB. Control F11. Look at there. What is removed? 8th to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is what? O. 9 is what? Space. O space is removed and B is coming and storing with a L. Okay. Now 10 is not inclusive, 10 is exclusive. If you want to remove the 10th index, then what I have to give? 11. So these are the string buffer class important methods. String buffer and string builder class contain methods to perform CRUD operations on string buffer object. What the operation? Insert, select, update, delete. Insert purpose, append insert. Select purpose, caret. Delete purpose, delete caret and delete. And update purpose, set caret and replace. Everyone understand now? Now tell me, when to use a string buffer, when to use a string. If you don't remember this point, you can miss the many points. When to use a string, when to use a string buffer. When you wanted to store data and don't want to modify immutable sequence of characters, we have to use what? String. If you want to store mutable sequence of characters, every time I want modifiable data, then I should use string buffer. Okay, na? Ready to develop one program now? When you are developing logical program, you need to add multiple characters or you wanted to append multiple characters. Then what should I use? I should choose a string or string buffer. String buffer, because every time you are appending new object, you want a old object modifier, old object. Always I want final resultant object, right? Write down one program now, show your talent. Let's see how many people understood clearly about string buffer. Look at here. There is a one special method in string buffer. SB, okay, I'm writing SB equal to new string builder of double quotes ABC, I have written. Okay. Now there is a special method SB dot reverse. What is the method name? SB dot reverse. SB dot reverse. Then system dot out dot println SB. Then we will get CBA. Original data ABC. After replacing data is what? CBA. Now interview will ask a question. Write down. Develop a program to reverse the characters available in the string without using predefined method. Develop a program to reverse the characters available in the string without using predefined method. Here, what is the meaning of predefined method? Reverse method. Let's see how many people can develop. Read one string from the keyboard, reverse the characters available in the string, print original string and print result string. Writing acting Are you writing logic in main method or user defined method? Up to now, we have written logic in main method. Now think, is it good idea to write logic in main method? That's a bad program. You should write in a separate method. You should develop user defined method. What you have written? What is the good idea? Create a separate class called reverse string or string operations. Okay, create a separate class called string operations. In the string operations, create a static method, static. What do you want to do? Reverse the string and print or reverse the string and return. What is the best practice? You should not print the result. Always you have to return the result. Public static, return type is what? String. Method name is what? Reverse. Reverse of, what do you write? String, yes. Okay, tell me. Now you want to return string means, first of all, I have to create that empty string or not? String result equal to empty string, return that result. Return that result. In between, I have to write the code for reverse. What is the meaning of reverse? This is my string A, B, C, D, E. What is the meaning of reverse? E, D, C, B, A. Right? That means what? You have to read characters from last to first and arrange them one after one. That means what you have to do? Retrieve one character from where? Last character to first character in reverse direction. And then tell me what I have to write. For loop. For in I equal to 0. 0 na? No. S dot length minus 1. I less than or greater than? Greater than or equals to 0. I minus my. Okay. Then next here what I should do? I should collect the characters where into the result. Result plus equal to, or you can say for understanding, result equal to result plus, what do you write? S dot caret of I. If you want to retrieve one character, what method I have to use? A caret method. S dot caret of I. Instead of writing result equal result plus, can I write plus equal to? Yes. So this is a shortcut operator of adding and storing in the same variable. Then outside what you do? Return result. Now this is a simple code. So tell me which method I have used here? Caret. Retrieve the character from last index to first index and store in the result variable and return. Now go to main method class. Inside main method class, what should I do? I should create scanner object. Scanner SCN equal to new scanner of what you write system dot in. Then next system dot out dot println double quotes enter string. Okay, that string entered take into local variable string s1 equal to scn dot next line, and then next string s2 equal to, should I write logic or call the method? Call method. String operations. Tell me, this class is predefined class or user defined class? User defined class. Don't confuse. Dot, what is the method name? Reverse by passing what? S1. Then print both strings, system dot outer print double quotes, original string plus S1. And next result string or reverse string. ABC, CBA coming or not? Next, ABC, BBC, CBB, CBA. And now I have a doubt. Okay. Anything you can take, it will work. Okay. Numbers you take, strings you take, special characters you take, anything you give, it will reverse. I have a question. The number of characters same or anything increased or decreased also you should know. S1 dot length. Always it's a good idea to check with what? Length. S2 dot length. Control F11. Now number of characters there and here what? 99. So this is the code. Are you able to write the code? Have you written same way like separate class? Separate method? No? What to do? Copy here? Copy here? Okay. Now try one more program now. Try one more program. Tester, what is the number? Test 14 underscore. Now there is something called palindrome. Find out whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Array yaar, what is the spelling? Spelling correct or wrong? Correct only na? PALINDROME. Correct. But why Eclipse is crying? If yes, print string is else print string is not valid. For example, input give me one palindrome string. ABI is a null German. Amma? Madam, okay. Output is a palindrome. Input 1. Input 2. Sir, is not a palindrome. Right. Develop. Let's see how many people can write code. Online students, how are you? Are you trying? 1 second. Okay, write down. Let's see how many people will raise the question or all are silently copying, silently write. Tell me what you're writing main method. Again, scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system.in. Then next system.out.println double quotes, enter string. Then taking the string into variable s1 equal to scn dot next string. What do you want to find? Palindrome boolean equal to string operations dot. I told you how to create. User defined method should not write logic directly in the main method. String operations dot. Tell me, you want to find the given string is palindrome or not, right? So what is the method name? Is palindrome of S1. Is palindrome. Then if palindrome, all you people please look at here, very dangerous statement. Equal to true, required or not required? If palindrome equal to true, required or not required? Required. Already palindrome is a boolean type variable, na? If required, what type of value? Boolean. It's already Boolean. Again, why you are comparing with equal to true? Many developers, trainers, many developers and trainers are writing Boolean variable value comparing with true and writing system.out.println double quotes. What is that? S1 plus is a palindrome. Okay. So it is right approach or wrong approach? Wrong. If palindrome is a palindrome, it itself is telling. Then why people are writing equal to true? Because of talent. Look at here, everyone. If flag, most of the people are choosing Boolean variable name as what? Flag. Which country flag? Tell me. India, Pakistan, Australia. Which country flag? Ra? Is my question understand? Variable name, class name, method name should be meaningful. It should reflect the operation performing. If I write the variable name as a flag, what is the meaning? Okay, na? So stop this bad habit. If you have taken it from your college lecturers, stop using the word flag. Okay, you have to write this method value. What this method is doing is palindrome. Then Boolean, what you have to take? Palindrome. Now, why I should take palindrome? Meaningful. If flag equal to true. This is the reason people are writing equal to true, because if flag and there is no meaning. So that's why to confirm it is flag is a true confirming purpose. Get out. I don't take like this. I'm writing if palindrome, okay, Boolean palindrome, and I'm writing clearly what? If palindrome, habituate this. What is the Boolean value returning from that method? That name you choose here. Then else. What do you write? Simply is not a palindrome. So this is the code you have to write. Now, very important. When you are developing, a class with methods, very important. You must develop reusability, modularity. Now tell me, inside, okay, there are so many operations I want to perform on a string. That's say first I have created a class called what? String operations. And then I define the methods one by one. Okay. Now control one. Create method is palindrome. Look at that. Eclipse automatically creating method for you in the class called string operations. Sir, what is the shortcut, sir? What the shortcut? What the shortcut? This method is not available. Then control one. Okay. When I type control one, it will show create method is palindrome. Yes, create. It's create. You want public? Yes, I want public. You want static? Yes, I want static. Return type Boolean. Is palindrome string S1. Tell me, how compiler software know, how Eclipse know? How Eclipse know what is the return type, what is the parameter based on your calling. What you are calling is palindrome, you call by using class name. That means method is what? Static. You assign this method to a variable of what? Boolean. That's why return type is Boolean. And you are passing argument S1. S1 is what type? String. That's why the method is created like this. Everyone understand? And variable name taking as parameter S1, I want to take as S. Now everyone tell me, what is the code I should write? I should return the Boolean when if string is palindrome. What is the meaning of palindrome? Reverse of the string. Madam, you reverse. M-A-D-A-M. Now, after reversing the string, compare original string with a reverse string. With the object reference, with the data. Data comparison means what I have to use. Double equal to operator, equals method. Equals method I have to use. Okay. Use equals method and compare. If equals returns true, then what? Palindrome. If equals returns false, not a palindrome. So tell me, for reverse the characters available in the string, already you have developed method called reverse, na? Should I again write logic or reuse this method? Very important. When you are performing one operation inside another operation, this operation create as a separate method. Maybe we require this method many places. Okay, then what I should write now? I should write here string reverse equal to, what do you write? Reverse method is available in the same class. I can call directly by its name by passing my parameter. Then here I should write if reverse dot equals, okay, you can write what? Original string yes, equals of reverse. What should I do? Return false or true? Na? True. Else return false. Okay, else return false. Save it. Now come here, save it, control F11, enter string MADAM. Adam is a palindrome. Okay, let's try another word. Sir is not a palindrome. Now let us try another word. ABC is not a palindrome. Now ABA is a palindrome. Working? So tell me, if you develop a written test exam question like this by following clear coding standards, reusability code, then tell me, any chance that interview rejected you? No. You have to give a chance to the interviewer to select you. But mistake what you are doing, you yourself encouraging the interviewer, reject me, please reject me. Okay, that's what. Why interviewer should select me? Always you have to ask a question yourself. Why should interviewer select me? There are many candidates are there. Why should interviewer select me? Some uniqueness you have to show compared from other students. So what is that uniqueness? Writing the code in a modularized way, reusable way. Now I have two questions. Let's see, do you have common sense or not? Array, equals method already written true false, na? What is the equals return type? True, false. If yes equals to reverse, returns what? True. If yes not equal to reverse, returns what? False. Then why you are checking if we also return true, false extra? Don't you have common sense? This is called experience level thinking. As a fresher, you will write the code like this. As an experienced people, we don't write any extra. We will try maximum how to decrease number of lines of the code. We will write here return s dot equals of reverse. It itself is returning true false, right? Why you want extra lines if you else do all nonsense? Control F11, enter string, madam. Madam is a palindrome. Okay, the next sir is a control F11. Sir is not a palindrome. Understood? This is how you have to show your experience. Next important question. Is this program is not a performance issue? Is it not a performance issue? Think. Array, whenever you want to add one string with another string, if I use a concat method or plus operator, every time new object created, na? If my string has 100 characters, then how many string objects created? 100 string objects created. So what should I do? I should use string builder. String builder result equal to new string builder of empty string builder. Okay, then here I should not write result. I should write what? SB dot append of, sorry, result dot append of. What should I append? S dot caret of I. Okay, in place of result, for your convenience, I can write SB. Then return SB. Can I return SB? No. SB dot I should convert to string. For that I have to call toString. Is it clear? So this will give you fast execution. So whenever you are performing multiple appending operations and you want final result, don't use string. Use what? String builder. Is it clear, everyone? Right. You written this question now? Write on this program. Next program develop chestara. Next, after this code, you have to write one more program. That is a actual important program. Many of your senior batch, 9 AM batch, gold 9 AM batch, got selected in the screening test exam conducted last week. Okay? He also selected. Congratulations. $48 marks came. Okay, excellent. Congratulations. So now people are ready for placement. Okay? And now are you joining or not joining? Why? Join placement batch and also come here, take the, go and attend the first, I mean, there is a something called some class, orientation class, something they will conduct. Okay? Go and join. And if they say you don't have eligibility to join, like advanced or not, advanced also attending, no? Okay, advanced or not completed, or that is not completed, this is not complete, or not eligible means come back. If they allowed, continue. Ultimately, what do you want? Job. Subject automatically will come after joining the company. Okay? Good, keep it up. So all the people work hard. Many times I told you, it's not important completing the course. It is important showing your awareness in the exam. If you have good awareness, automatically you will get job. Interviewer knows that no one has full 100% knowledge. Even James Gosling also don't know entire Java. He is the inventor of Java, but he don't know entire Java because different parts are developed by different developers. So that's why nobody knows entire Java. Getting awareness and start trying for the job is important. Don't waste time. Completed this class? Then string operations. Completed a main method. String operations. Write this method both. I can call this method outside independently, or I can call inside is palindrome. Within the class, I can call directly. Within the class, I can call directly. From outside class, I must call by using class name. So I have used the combination of string and string builder both. Parameter and return type is string and internal logic is on string builder. Completed? Do you know there is something called string anagram? String anagram, string palindrome, and there is something called string anagram. What is the meaning of anagram? I also don't know. Okay, you find out and let me know tomorrow. What is string anagram? So 2 points you have learned in this program. Number one, when the method itself returning true false, don't use if else condition to return true false. Second point, when you are trying to store Boolean value in the variable, don't use the name flag, use proper variable name so that it should be meaningful when I am using with a if. If flag is not meaningful, if palindrome is meaningful. Remember that. Completed? Will you try one more example? This is compulsory asking example. Let's see how many people can complete. Develop a program to reverse words in the given string. To reverse words in the given string. Input, how are you? You know, this text message is also fixed. Output. Now tell me what is output? Reverse characters I am asking or reverse words I am asking her. Then what will come here? You are how? This is the question. Try. Show your talent. This is what you have tried main method. Check once have written same or not. Okay. Now in string operations, we have to develop reverse words method. Control 1, create method reverse word. Public static string reverse string. Yes. Here reverse words means there is a append operation inside. From this string, I have to take last word into first word to last, right? While processing of reversing, I have to collect, append. That means for preparing the result, what I have to use? String or string builder? String builder. SB equal to new string builder. And then last I have to return SB dot to string. Always parameter is a string, return type is a string. Inside method perform operation on the string with the help of string builder. Okay. Then now tell me, what should I do now? I want reverse the characters in the stringer, words in the stringer. Then what the first step? Convert string into words. How can we convert string into words? String array words equal to s dot. What the method? Split. Split the word into words by space. String array words equal to s dot split of space. Then next following by for loop I have to develop on what this word, this array we have to retrieve from last word to first word. And then for int I equal to 0, I greater than or equals to, I should write on words dot length variable or length method. Variable because it is array. I plus plus or minus minus. Hey, I am writing wrong, you are following. Equal to -1. Last word na? Greater than or equals to 0. I minus minus. Then what I should do? Take the last word. Words of I. Okay. And then store it inside string buffer. SB dot append of words of I. Correct? Ante kada. Reverse the words means what? Divide the string into words. Last word to first word to second word to the second, third word to third word. Then reverse it, collect into string buffer, and then return that string buffer. Is this program completed? Is this program completed or not completed? Not completed. Okay, let me run. Proceed. Where is the compile terminal? Enter string. How are you? Right? Original string, how are you? Reverse string, what is coming? You are how? Is space out of in the reverse string also there should be space na? Then tell me what change I have to do. Here string operations class. Here I should add one more method append with what? Double quotes space double quotes. Correct my point? I should append space also. Control F11. Now paste. Original string, how are you? Reverse string, you are how? Is this reverse string have any extra character? Every time you are adding space, first word space, second word space, third also there is a space. Here there is no space. Here you have extra space. Then what to do? We should remove dot trim. Control F11, paste. Original string after question mark, no space. Reverse string after W, no space. Is it clear? This is the algorithm. First, you should have an algorithm in your mind. What I have to do? I have the original string with a how are you. Then reverse string I want means U here, A here, H here. Then how can I write? First, I divide this given string into 3 words. Then read first word, second word, third word. So this idea, if you have in your mind, then you can write the logic. Writing logic is easy. Only problem is algorithm mind. You should get algorithm into your mind. How to solve the problem? Problem solving skills are very, very important. Sir, where I can get problem solving skills? Two options. Number one, try multiple examples. Okay, now onwards, you have to develop multiple programs with the help of multiple things by using with the help of some different website like HackerRank, LeetCode, okay, codingbat.com, like different websites you have to try. Number two, if what do you call no sir, I want a generalized way problem solving skills, join CRT batch. Okay, join CRT batch. CRT, in CRT, in CRT batch, you will get problem solving skills aptitude, means arithmetics and reason. Arithmetics, reasoning, more knowledge if you have. Arithmetics and reasoning, more knowledge if you have, then problem solving skills will be very easy. Okay? Write on that. If you are not completed, write on this. Where in string operations class, this method extra add. Completed? Huh? Are you studying Java 8 new features? Forgot? You have already, HackerRank lead code. In addition to that, one more interesting website is there, codingbatter.com. Here we have different sets of programs. Assignments are given. You can directly write program here and you can test here. String 1, basic string programs, no loops. String 2, medium string programs, 1 loop. String 3, harder string programs, 2 loops. Okay. Now, first let's see string 1, how the questions are available. Basic string programs, no loops, use plus to combine strings. Str length is the number of characters in the string. SB dot substring, extract the substring starting at index and running up to but not included in English. New videos, string introduction, string substring. Hello name. Click on that link, then it is open. Okay, read the question. This is scenario based question. These are called scenario based question. Given a string name, example Bob, written a greeting of the form hello Bob. Hello name, method is what? Hello name. You are calling by passing Bob. Your method logic should display hello Bob. Then how to write the code? Return. It is asking to return. Return. What do you write? Double quotes. What I should write? Hello plus what? Bob. Bob means name plus double quotes explanatory mark. Last explanatory mark there na? Semicolon. And then run. Okay, go. Not a statement. Huh? Hello space I want. Okay. All cases are failed. Red color, red color, red color, red color. What required? Space. Space also should. Now all are correct. Okay. Like this, you have to write the code. How much time it will take for you to try? 1 minute, right? One question it will take 1 minute. How much time? How much time you are taking to read? That much time it will write. It will take, not more than that. Okay. Then click on next. It is asking make a ABBA. Given two strings A and B, return the result of putting them together in the order ABBA. Means what? Return two strings AB. First AB and reverse is what? BA. AB, BA. For example, hi and bye returns hi, bye, bye, hi. And then what write? What is simple? Return first A plus B plus B plus A. Andega? Go. He is asking what? Hi, bye. First hi, bye. Then next bye, hi. So what rate? Simply plus A plus B plus B plus A, reverse. So like this small Bujji programs are available. We'll try to develop the code. Okay. There are several questions given here like this. Slowly, when you started working them, reading questions you will understand. Which method to use here, the idea you will get. So totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 to 3, 33 programs available. Okay. And next, after this, come back and you can also try string 2. String 2. Inside string 2, we have again more programs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 3. 33 plus 21. Okay. We are very strong. I understood. Okay. Now, suppose I don't understand how to develop a program. Then simple, copy this code. Okay. Copy this code. Open ChatGPT. Paste that code here. Press enter. Program ready. Okay. Now what to do? Copy this code. This much only. Okay. Only logic. Don't copy the method. Method already. Look at the ChatGPT method and the website method. Public string repeat separator. Public static string. Okay, taken as a non-static, it is static. Okay. Repeat string, string word, string separator, string count. Word separator count. Look at that. Same name. ChatGPT reading this fellow. Paste. Okay. Paste that code as it is. And then run. Wow. All cases are passed. Now understand what logic they have written. Why you are not unable to write? Just question yourself, introspect yourself, what point you are missing to understand. So if 2 to 3 examples, if you try like this, automatically you will start write the code for new example. But every program don't take to the ChatGPT, right? Every program copy paste ChatGPT, place answer, see the output, no use of it. Understand? So lifelong you will not in the hostel, right? After you get married, also stay in the hostel only. No, you have to prepare the food by your own. You have to buy vegetables yourself. Everything you have to do by your own. So you have to learn how to develop the code by your own. 1 or 2 examples try. Later you try. Later try yourself. Clear? Will you complete the examples here? Totally 3 sets of programs available. In all batches, I am requesting the people to complete these examples, but very few people completing, and they are coming top in the list of screening test exam. In the screening test exam, top 3 people are from your 9am batch, seniors batch. In screening test exam, only not my students writing exam. Okay, entire Naresh IT Institute students are writing. All faculty students also writing. How much you are practicing is important. How much faculties are training is not important. How much you are practicing, remembering, getting awareness on subject and understanding how to use the learned subject on the real-time examples is important. Once you get that awareness, automatically you will start develop the code, pass any interview. Okay, the second student in the screening test exam result, the second student is my Core Java Advanced Java student. I developed one project in Advanced Java, given an assignment. She is only the student completed that assignment. In Advanced Java class, I'll show you today or tomorrow how she developed. A project enhancement I have given. Half project I developed, remaining half I will give as an assignment, and she complete that assignment and forwarded to me. I told some more extra functionality. That extra functionality also completed. She herself has decided to implement one functionality. Then she told me, wait sir, I am completing that functionality and I will forward the code. The complete project code as shared it to me. I'm going to run today or tomorrow in the Advanced Java class. So if you have interest of learning programming, developing programming, the given suggestions if you follow, you will become the best developer. Wherever you go, you will get success. Companies are looking for the candidates. Jobs are there in IT industry. AI is not taking your jobs, believe me. Only the people who are skilled people taking your jobs. If you improve your skill, your job is there. Before Corona, if you know only spelling Java, you will get job. Real I'm telling. If you know the spelling of Java, you will get job. After Corona, slowly, company requirement is changing. Company only recruiting skilled people. Non-skilled people, time pass people are not getting job, and they are going and creating the noise outside saying that jobs are not there, jobs are not there, jobs are not there. You know, in your college, when question paper is very tough, every student will say one statement. What is that? Out of syllabus. Yes or no? Then how the people who passed that exam got more marks? For him, it is not out of syllabus. He is also your classmate only, na? Then how did he get sent marks? The difference is you are by hearting the important questions. He by hearting entire textbook. He is learning subject. You are learning only important questions. If those important questions listed by you, the 5 questions, among these 5 questions are coming in the syllabus. Out of these 5 coming out of syllabus. So change your thought process. You have to practice each and every point taught by the faculty. In a string class, totally we learned almost 45 methods, both string and string buffer, almost 45 methods we learned. All these 45 methods, if you remember, developing any example will be easy. It is your turn, you have to work out further. My job is completed. So string handling chapter, complete in detail, in depth I have explained. Further you have to practice and remember the concepts. Okay. So follow this codingbat.com website. After completing this, also you can try from HackerRank website also. Okay. That's all for today class and completed string handling chapter. And tomorrow we will start IO streams. In IO stream chapter, string buffer, both classes are required. Okay, na? Thank you. That's all for today class.